Hi my lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's just Missy. Today I have some motivation for you guys. Yes, I'm packing to leave, but I am packing my last minute boxes, the ones that I'm going to be putting on the truck last, the ones that we're going to need as soon as we get into our new place, which is a lot to do with folding towels, taking down curtains, taking down shower curtains, getting everything washed and ready before I literally pack it. So as you can see, I'm taking all of these towels out of a laundry basket and putting them in this last minute box because I literally just pulled these towels out of the dryer. So when we get there, we will have clean towels. I'm going to do shower curtains. I'm going to pack a brand new shower liner and some curtains so that we can hang some curtains up in the bedroom so when we go to bed that night, we can at least have curtains up. So there's going to be some cleaning motivation in here for you guys if you need to fold laundry, if you need to take down your curtains in your home, and maybe some shower curtains. And I know shower liners, not learners, liners can get moldy and gross. So if you need to replace your liners in your shower and take down your shower curtain to put it through the wash so that it can be clean and fresh, maybe even do some spring cleaning and freshen up your curtains, take them down, wash them, put them away, and put lighter curtains up for the spring, or just wash them and put the same ones up. This is a great video for you because all of that will be in here, and I'm trying to stay true to doing this as much in real time as I can. I only speed up a little bit of parts, very little. I'm trying to keep it real time because some people like fast cleaning and some people like it real time. So to appease both people, some of my videos I speed up and some of my videos I keep real time. This happens to be almost a real time video. So we're going to get all of this laundry and curtains and shower curtains and things of that nature going. And when you see me in my living room and I'm taking curtains down and things of that nature, you will see in the background my son and his girlfriend. This day he was actually moving out. A lot of people have had questions about that. My son is 24 years old and he has had a long-term relationship with his girlfriend, and he has decided to stay in Pennsylvania to be with her. So if anybody was wondering why, you know, he's not going or anything of that nature, not to get into a whole bunch of personal things because that is his business and his alone. It's simply because he wants to stay with his girlfriend. So let's get some of this cleaning motivation going.
Everything Drown yourself in the neon. You came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move on, but one night in the shadows can't ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on all the strangers though. So are you sure that it's over? When you close your eyes, I'm by your side, babe. When you close your eyes, I'm on your mind, babe. You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over. Drown yourself in the smoke, babe. You came to this place to hide away for a while, but we both know that when it gets late, one call away and then you are spending the night. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you.
I love you guys. I hope you have a great week, and I'll be talking to you very soon in my new video. Until then, take care of you. Know I love you, but God loves you more. Take care of what He's given you, and I know He'll bless you with more. I'll talk to you in the next video, guys. Bye.